Vitamin B9 folate for vegetarians. Hello friends. I am Sahil and welcome to our channel, where we look at health through the lens of science. And yes, we have a little fun too. Today's topic is vitamin B9. Now you might say, Sahil, we've heard of B12. What is this B9 fuss? So friends, B9 is called folate or folic acid in scientific language. The word folate comes from the Latin word folium, which means leaf. That is exactly why it is found mostly in leafy vegetables. Why is this vitamin important? Because it is responsible for DNA synthesis and cell division in your body. To put it in simple language, this is your body's construction manager. If the manager is absent, the work stops. If there's a deficiency of vitamin B9 in your body, what happens? You can get megaloblastic anemia. Now, what kind of thing is this? In this, your red blood cells become very large in size, but remain immature. Meaning they don't do any work properly, they just occupy space. Just like there's a lazy employee in the office, exactly like that. What happens because of this? Always feeling fatigue, irritability, mouth ulcers, and hair loss. That is why maintaining B9 levels is very necessary, especially for vegetarians like us. Now the main point. I am vegetarian. Where will I get B9 from? Don't panic. Nature has kept a treasure of B9 for vegetarians. Let's see the top sources. 1. Spinach and green leafy vegetables. Popeye the Sailor Man wasn't eating spinach for nothing. In just 1 cup of cooked spinach, you get 70% of your daily needed folate. 2. Legumes and lentils, our dal rice or yuzzle. 1 cup of cooked masawer dal has almost 90% daily value of folate, meaning eat dal and stay fit. Rajma, chole, and shavli are also powerhouses of B9. 3. Beetroot. This red-colored root doesn't just fill color in the salad, but it contains plenty of folate, manganese, and potassium. This is excellent for detox too. 4. Citrus fruits, oranges, sweet limes, lemons. 1 orange contains roughly 50 micrograms of folate, meaning tasty as well as healthy. 5. Okra. Yes, our simple okra. This isn't just like the zero value in math. It is a hero in nutrition. Wait, don't leave the video. There's one extremely important thing. Vitamin B9 is a water-soluble and heat-sensitive vitamin. What does that mean? If you cook spinach vegetable for an hour, the B9 in it will say tata bye-bye along with the steam and fly away. Therefore, do not overcook vegetables. If possible, steam them or eat them raw in salad form. Microwave steaming is also a good option because the vegetable cooks in less time and the vitamins are saved. So friends, from today itself, increase the amount of spinach, lentils, and salads in your meals. Your B9 level will stay set and energy level on top. If you like this science-based video, then definitely like it. Share it with that friend of yours who always says I am feeling tired. Don't forget to subscribe to Sahil's channel for such content. Till then, stay healthy and happy. Bye.